Sam has 8 trousers and 12 shirts. Two particular trousers can never be worn with any one of the three particular shirts, and two other particular trousers must be worn with any one of the other particular shirts. In how many ways Sam match a trouser with a shirt? So there are how many? There are 8 trousers and there are 12 shirts. Let's number these 8 trousers. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 trousers being there, and there are 12 shirts with Sam. Let's number these 12 shirts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the possibilities for the trousers and shirts. According to question, it says that these two, the first sentence here, two particular trousers, let's say these first two can never be worn with any one of the three particular shirts. Let's say these two can never be worn with these three particular shirts. Okay. Second case, two particular trousers, let's say trouser number 3 and 4, they must be worn with any of the 4 other particular shirts. Let's say these are the 4 shirts with which these two trousers number 3 and 4 has to be definitely worn, right? So there can be case number 1. Can we say that Sam picks a trouser from these first 2 trousers? Okay, so there are 2 choices. If he selects from one trousers out of these 2 trousers, so 2 trousers are there, and how many choices for shirt? If he selects a trouser from these 2, can we say that these 3 cannot be selected? Right? You cannot select according to question. That means out of 12, these 3 cannot be selected. That means remaining 9 choices, 9 shirts he can pick. Or can we say that case number 2? Case number 2, he selects trousers from number 3 and 4. That means there are 2 choices for trousers, and how many choices for shirt? There are 4 choices, these 4, right? According to question, so 4 shirt choices are there if we select from number 3 and number 4. Or let's say case number 3. Case number 3, can we say that he selects the trouser from the remaining 4? If he selects from remaining 4, how many choices for shirt does he have? So if these are the 4 trouser options, so 4 trousers, and how many choices for shirts? There are 12 choices for the shirts. So for the first case, remember, whenever and comes, and means to multiply and or means to add. So if it's and, that means 2 and 9. That means 2 multiplied by 9. That means how many choices or how many cases are there? There are going to be 18 cases. Second case number 2. 2 trousers and 4 shirts. That means 2 times 4, which is going to be 8. 8 choices which are there. Case number 3. 4 trousers, 12 shirts. That means 4 times 12. That is going to be 48 cases. Or whenever or means to add 18 plus 8 plus 44. That is the target answer, which is going to be 74. Option E being the correct here.